Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the Rado Institute, and thank you very much for the committee to the invited me to join with the global classroom. For this time, we will continue our discussion. Still have the same topics about the simulating using air. But for this now, we are continue to the session 2. In the session 2, we will try discuss about the estimate the parameter, because we have known in the session 1 we have proved we have proof how the important the estimate parameter to run the quantile function. But for this time, we will not discuss about the long theory. For example, we not discuss about the how to using maximum likelihood to the estimate parameter. We don't discuss that, because you can find in the Rado Institute around 100 more about the theory maximum likelihood to the estimate the parameter. For this time, we will only use the one tools in the R software, namely Optim, to solve the problem, to the estimate the parameter. After we have the parameter, we can use the parameter to create the quantile function. Okay, let's open our R software. Okay, our R software. Okay, this is our R software. In this software, in this R, we have the cancer data. This is cancer data. So for the cancer data, we try to using the sum model, the familiar model, of course, like Weibull model, like gamma, like what we call it, gamma, and then this one for the log normal, this log normal, and then normal and log normal. Okay, like we have discussed before, we are use the Optim to the estimate the parameter. But before we use the Optim, we must create the log likelihood. Wow, this is correct likelihood function. The correct log likelihood function, we must only use the coding programming minus sums, logarithm natural, and the density Weibull. And then you give the part 1 for the set, the part 2 for the scale. You must remember, Weibull is very familiar with the R software. So we don't need the long formula for Weibull. We just type d Weibull. D Weibull is mean the density Weibull. So after we have the log likelihood, we use the Optim to the estimate the parameter. So we give the set parameter for the parameter 1 and the scale for the parameter 2. Okay, let's run our program. We'll run our program. So after that, we can check here. So if we are type Optim, we type Optim using the small letter Optim. Okay, you can check. Oh, no. Optim. No, we don't need Optim. The MLEW, sorry. We type MLEW. So we can find the parameter 1, 27.x and blah, blah, blah. And the parameter 2, 149, blah, blah, blah. This program is convergent. So it means we have success to the estimate the parameter. This is for the Weibull distribution. And for the other density function, for the gamma. For the gamma, with the same coding, log likelihood, same coding, and using minus sums, logarithm natural, and density gamma. You put x data, and the parameter 1 shape, parameter 2 scale. After that, we are use optim to the estimate the parameter, give the initial value for the parameter 1, 1, and the initial value for the parameter 2, 1. Okay, we run our program. So we check the parameter. So now we check the parameter using MLEG. So you can check this is parameter 1 and this parameter 2. Convergent. Okay. So after that, we will use the gamma Weibull. So for the normal case, we know for the normal case, the parameter normal distribution only mean data and standard deviation data. It is no important we are correct the coding log likelihood like the Weibull and gamma. Because from the theoretical, if we are use the log likelihood, we can find the formula for the parameter 1 only by using mean data and the parameter 2 only square root variance data. And then for the log normal distribution, the first time we will take the logarithm natural data and the parameter of the log normal distribution only take the mean of the logarithm data and take the square root variance of logarithm data. Don't forget for the logarithm, for the log normal distribution, take the first the logarithm natural data. Okay, after that we are run our data. So we run our data. So we can come here. So if we want to know the parameter of normal, you just type MNL and then SGL for the second parameter, and then for the log normal distribution, MNLN, and then for the second parameter for the log normal distribution, SDLN. This is very easy. Very easy when we use the optim to the estimate the parameter. Remember that you must type minus sum, logarithm natural, and density Weibull. Okay, and then this is how about the density function, but R don't have the form of the density. For example, for log logistic. Okay, for example, for logistic distribution. In the R, we cannot find the density logistic distribution. So, to create the log likelihood, we must base on the log likelihood, the density function of the logistic distribution. This is log likelihood. Starting from here. Okay, starting from here. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, this one. Okay. This one. The blue one is the log likelihood for log logistic. We don't discuss how to find, how to produce the log likelihood. You can come to the www.Rado Institute. You can find the more than 100 video about the log likelihood discussion. So after that, we are use the optim, and then for the parameter 1U, parameter 2S. Okay, we run our program. You can check here. Okay, console. Okay, you type MLK. This is one. This is for parameter 1, and this is for parameter 2, and this convergent to 0. Okay. From our discussion today, especially for the session 2 in the simulating using R program, we have discussed if the R software have the form of the density function like gamma, Weibull, beta, normal, and log normal. It's very easy for us to using the optim. The first one, we create the log likelihood. But for the density function, and R don't have the form of the density function, we must create the log likelihood function. After we have the log likelihood, we come to the log likelihood, and after that, we use optim to run the programming. So that why we must be careful to doing simulation. Okay, you must careful to doing simulation. If the R don't have the form of the density function, we must have the power in the correct log likelihood. Okay, I think this is our issue in the session 2. The issue in the session 2, just use optim to create, to the estimate the parameter only. Okay, after we have success to understand the introduction in session 1 and the optim in the session 2, if we are adding our information for the session 3, you have the complete technique to the simulation, to simulation the new data. Okay, I think this enough for the session 2. We will see you again on the session 3. Rado Yendra and Rado Institute. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.